everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So in this video, I would like to share the principles of National Education Policy 2020. The purpose of the education system is to develop good human beings capable of rational thought and actions, possessing compassion and empathy, courage and resilience, scientific temper and creative imagination, with sound ethical moorings and values. It aims at producing engaged, productive and contributing citizens for building an equitable, inclusive and plural society as envisaged by our Constitution. A good education institution is one in which every student feels welcomed and cared for, where a safe and stimulating learning environment exists, where a wide range of learning experiences are offered, and where good physical infrastructure and appropriate resources conducive to learning are available to all students. Attaining these qualities must be the goal of every educational institution. However, at the same time, there must also be seamless integration and coordination across institutions and across all stages of education. The fundamental principles that will guide both education system at large as well as the individual institution within it are as follows. According to National Educational Policy 2020, the fundamental principles that will guide both the education system at large as well as the individual institutions within it are recognizing, identifying and fostering the unique capabilities of each student by sensitizing teachers as well as parents to promote each student's holistic development in both academics and non-academic spheres. According to highest priority to achieving foundational literacy and numeracy by all students by grade 3. Flexibility so that learners have the ability to choose their learning trajectories and programs and thereby choose their own paths in life according to their talents and interests. No hard separations between arts and science, between curricular and extracurricular activities, between vocational and academic streams, etc., in order to eliminate harmful hierarchies among and silos between different areas of learning. Multidisciplinary and a holistic education across the sciences, social sciences, arts, humanities and sports for a multidisciplinary world in order to ensure the unity and integrity of all knowledge. Emphasis on conceptual understanding rather than rote learning and learning for exam. Creativity and critical thinking to encourage logical decision making and innovation. Ethics and human and constitutional values like empathy, respect for others, cleanliness, courtesy, democratic spirit, spirit of service, respect for public property, scientific temper, liberty, responsibility, pluralism, equality and justice. Promoting multilingualism and Power of language in teaching and learning. Life skills such as communication, cooperation, teamwork, and resilience. Focus on regular formative assessment for learning rather than summative assessment that encourages today's coaching culture. Extensive use of technology in teaching and learning, removing language barriers, increasing access of Divyang students, and educational planning and management. Respect for diversity and respect for local context in all curriculum, pedagogy and policy, always keeping in mind that education is a concurrent subject. Full equity and inclusion as the cornerstone of all educational decisions to ensure that all students are able to thrive in the education system. Synergy in curriculum across all levels of education from early childhood care and education to school education to higher education. Teachers and faculty is the heart of learning process. Their recruitment, continuous professional development, positive working environments and service conditions. A light but tight regulatory framework to ensure integrity, transparency and resource efficiency of the educational system through audit and public disclosure while encouraging the innovations and out-of-the-box ideas through autonomy, good governance and empowerment. Outstanding research as a core requisite for outstanding education and development. Continuous review of progress based on sustained research and regular assessment by educational experts. A rootedness and pride in India and its rich, diverse, ancient and modern culture and knowledge system and traditions. Education is a public service. Access to quality education must be considered a basic right of every child. Substantial investment is in a strong, vibrant public education system, as well as the encouragement and facilitation of true philanthropic, private and community participation. Thus, these are the principles of National Education Policy 2020. Thank you for watching.